This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Unscrew the stabilizer bar link nut while counter holding the ball joint with another wrench. Detach the link from the strut. Unclip the brake hose from the strut bracket and detach it from the bracket. If the vehicle is equipped with ABS, also detach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness from the strut. Before removing the lower strut mounting bolts, it is a good idea to tie up or support the lower control arm with a floor jack. This is to prevent the overextension of the drive axle CV joints or cause damage to the brake hose. Remove the strut to knuckle nuts, then knock the bolts out with a hammer and punch. Separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Be careful not to let the knuckle fall too far outward, as this could damage the brake hose. Loosen the 3 upper strut mounting nuts. Support the strut and spring assembly with one hand and remove the 3 upper strut mounting nuts. Remove the assembly out from the fender well. Guide the new or overhauled strut assembly up into the fender well and insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the shock tower. Once the studs protrude from the shock tower, install the nuts so that the strut won't fall back through. This is most easily accomplished with the help of an assistant, as the strut is quite heavy and awkward. Slide the steering knuckle into the strut flange and insert 2 new bolts, then install 2 new nuts. Tighten the lower mounting nuts while counter holding the bolts to the specified torque setting. Remove the wire or floor jack used to support the steering knuckle. Guide the brake hose through its bracket in the strut and install the retaining clip. Gently tap the retaining clip in place if necessary. Connect the stabilizer bar link to the strut, then screw on the nut and tighten it to the specified torque setting while counter holding the ball joint with another wrench. If the vehicle is equipped with ABS, attach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness to the strut. Tighten the strut upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front strut assembly. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting.